There are two ways to start writing your song. Option 1, if your teacher has created an assignment, you can simply click on Start Assignment. Then Teacher's Assignment. You will find yourself in the mix editor with the assignment brief on the right hand side explaining the task and possibly an example section of music for you to listen to and learn from. Option 2. If no assignment has been set, or you simply want to create a new piece of music at school or at home, click on the folder with the musical note on. Then go down to Create Project. Finally, choose Browse Loops, which will take you into the mix editor. On the right hand side, you can scroll down and see all the loop packs. There are many different styles: Bollywood electric, synthwave ultra, progressive house, techno dub, and we can scroll down for a really huge choice. It's worth having a really good look through all these different styles. And before you choose a style, it might be worth pressing the play button, the demo button, and see what your song might sound like. Have a good look around, and if you're not sure, try as many as you want. Let's try Indie Essentials. Okay, I like that one, so I'm going to click here, and as we can see, we have about 95 different samples that we can use to start our song. To audition a sound, in other words to hear a sound, all we need to do is click on here, and it will keep repeating. Let's try another one. And the next one. If we click it again, it stops. A lot of the samples have a theme to them, so DNC synthpad, DNC sequencer would suggest that these sounds might go together and fit very nicely. We can see dream bass, dream synth, dream guitar, so they're grouped in sounds that might go together, and just by identifying the name can help us put songs together that sound cohesive. Try out as many loops as you like until you find something that you think will be really nice to start your song with.